So right now, I just kind of want to give you guys an analysis on Bitcoin, on my take on it. So right now, uh, this isn't live or anything. I'm still looking for a broker that actually allows U.S. residents to actually trade. But depending on how this closes, like it has to close on a weekly time frame. So by the end of the week, we'll see what goes on here. If it like creates a doji or something. But if it ends up being like a reversal candle, we can anticipate it dropping to about, I would say, down to closer to 2000 area. Actually, I'll say, well, 2955 is one of your strong zones. So that's like, I would say, take profit one if you were selling or waiting for another entry. You can go there, and depending on what's going on, you can probably anticipate it dropping to about, I wouldn't say, I'll say 1921 in value. Sounds about right. And then, but it probably would end up being very quick. So unless right there, it, instead of making a long M, it makes like a W right there on the 2955. Because we have that long width right there. Oh, I made that so long ago. Oh, I guess that's multiple things on smaller time frames. Jesus. But, oh yeah, these candlesticks are strong right there. But yeah, it's definitely gonna go down based on that little candle right there. So, it's gonna drop down to about 29.55. And depending if we find the right reversal pattern, I would anticipate it dropping to about, actually, you can honestly say 2900. And then if you look closely enough at the reversal patterns, if you're going to monitor it, I would say 22,335. Why am I doing it at these areas? Because that's where support is, a really strong area of support. This is where like a little reversal candle is right here, but I would actually bank it more on a strong support area, because you know how Bitcoin is. It's not going to like tank or anything. It's a very strong currency at this moment. So I would bank it more on doing what it did in the past. So I would say it would rise one more time for that M, just to confirm. I mean, it could do that, but it's pretty much guaranteed to go down. And I would say around this area, it would bounce right back up. So this is it's gonna be quite a while, unless, well, those type of spikes do happen with this. This is a very, very volatile currency. So that's gonna drop really badly. Let's see, Litecoin. Oh, and when it goes to this area, you can also use this indicator just to kind of get a short-term entry. The Fibonacci Miracle template. Like right now, it's basically telling you, confirming that, yeah, buy. So, shoo, right there. M. Look at that. Boom, boom. So, yeah, you guys should have the Fibonacci Miracle templates by now. If not, you can go in the Files tab in the group and get it. And then, like I said, I was gonna go to Litecoin. Now, most of these for the month, you're not gonna get very much information. I'm just gonna be real on that. But, for Litecoin, it's basically gonna be playing around in its little area for a while. I would like for it to drop down to this little area for once more to my 200 line. Yeah, to about, I would say, yeah, $39 real quick, but it wouldn't stay there too long. If it dropped down a bit lower to this candle right over here, it would go to like 33, but it wouldn't stay there very long if it did do that. But I won't say I will bank on it happening, and I don't want to force a pattern on it. But I'm gonna see what we. Huh. Well, look at that. Yeah, an ascending triangle. So, especially if it closes as is for the daily, more than likely it's just gonna break up from here. So it actually would be the perfect time to actually buy. But at the same time, if Bitcoin does drop in value, it can still break real quick. Not long, but I would still anticipate it just going up back to 90. But at the same time with what's going on now, it's Bitcoin's pretty much ranked on going to 4,000. So if it, 4,500. So if it does that, or more than likely, it'll go to 81 instead. And then, so this is pretty much, I would say that's valid. As long as it closes correctly. So, 50 bucks. If you bought Litecoin, I would do it now. I mean, you could have got it at the 45 a long time ago. Or, well, basically months ago, you could have bought it like at a lower price. But if you're looking to do it now, you have that opportunity. Oh, and also to also confirm it, it's giving lower highs. Well, is that one lower than the other one? That one looks like it's a bit lower. Well, it's going to depend on the close. So, and this is a great area of support too. So, now we have Ethereum. Let me see. I don't want to use that chart for it. Well, I don't have a problem using this chart. I won't say the method here is actually good for this. I mean, I haven't actually applied it, I won't say I have, but I would prefer to just go with straight price action on this one. Look for more patterns and everything, support and resistance, because it seems especially with this being a new currency and all, I feel like it respects that more. And then with that definitely confirmed the drop. Both of these. It was more like an M, and with this is more like a correction. So I would say that's a drop, that's his rise. So like Bitcoin rise, they all pretty much are really closely linked with Bitcoin. So basically similar. And then you guys can still use the EMAs. So, like the 200 EMA, for example, or like a moving support or resistance point. So I would say around there and bounce up. So close to here. So around the 200 mark, you can buy. I won't say it will go that low. But end of the day, look for reversals with these. And you can if you want to do this, you can create an account with SimpleFX. Just use a demo for now, and then just go with naked charts. Use straight up price action, or you can use TradingView.com. So basically, like I've showed you before in other videos, for example, you can search Bitcoin, you can search Litecoin, you can search it all. You can confirm it with other people if you want to, but I recommend doing your own because not everyone is correct. You don't want to rely on other people's information like that. Or if in any case you can like check mine. But you can also create your own chart. Whoops. Well, I guess it's going to my other chart. Or yeah, never mind. It went to the BTC USD. But yeah, you can create your own chart and basically just do what you want to do. I recommend this chart more anyways. I mean, it's awesome. So take advantage of all your opportunities. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you watch this video on YouTube or something, just feel free to click the link in the description to add me on Facebook for info.